Okay, we have a 2010 Audi door actuator problem. First, you have to take this part out from here. And here's the door panel. These are the grommet you have to take out. So you have to unhook this hook from the door panel and also disconnect this part out. You have to take this black panel out. You have to take out these screws. Star. As it turns out, I don't have T42, I guess. I used the Allen wrench like this to open these two. They're kind of hard, but you have to take these two out. And also this one over here to take this bar out.
The driver's side one, the Amazon part, $43, does not work. You have to buy it from Audi dealership, over $300. The hook part, the metal part, is not the same. Amazon one does not work. So that was the story on the driver's side. The Amazon part did not work. I had to buy it from Audi, over $300. I came to do the same thing on the passenger side, the right side. The part from Amazon, the hook part was correct, but the electrical connection was incorrect, did not work. So I didn't want to buy another one from Audi, $300. I cleaned my old one and I put it back up. So the one from Amazon does not work.